It's down. I took it down, bro, but it ain't even all the way down. The bags ain't even all the way collapsed. She pretty low. She pretty low. My bag's all collapsed, so I need to loosen up the what's the name so them bitches go all the way down. She'll sit down on the flame, on the floor. All right, now we can get this bitch on the trailer. She's sitting on her own weight. Yeah.
From humble beginnings, man, we got it on the trailer. So now we are heading up to the shop, and I'm gonna show you some progression in the shop pictures. So we got in the shop now. We got in the shop. We getting it ready to go. We're painting. We're cleaning stuff up, moving stuff in, getting the walls right. The guy before us really trashed the place. So we trying to clean up, make it a little bit decent. Paint the walls, you know, all grimy, like a cool tone. Then we resealed the floors. And we did all of that stuff there. We also got lights up in the shop. Start hanging up lights in the shop. Rewired, clean the shop out. And we're moving stuff in, man. My baby's sitting in there. She's sitting there, the F100. Humble beginnings. Start moving stuff up to the shop, you know. Getting it all together, man. We're thankful for God that we have this shop. And we're blessed. So stay tuned, man. Like and subscribe. We're going to be dropping more videos on progression. Peace. Forward on forwards. We out.